Hi darlings, I've got a secret to reveal to you today. Eye colour magic. What is eye colour magic? Eye colour magic are magic tricks for the eyes. They come in kits like this, and what do? They make green eyes look greener, blue eyes look bluer, your brown eyes look more amber, and your hazel eyes look more gold. The secret to eye colour magic is you can harmonise or you can contrast. So darling, they put magic lights in the eyes to mesmerise the world with your eye colour magic. So darlings, I have started off by using my Instant Magic Dry Sheet Facial Mask, and this is fantastic. It just hydrates and gives me that, it's like that instant, like a Hollywood facial, so it's fabulous. So now I'm gonna use my Magic Cream, and Magic Cream is Magic Skin. As we all know, if you want a beautiful painting, well, darling, one has to have a beautiful canvas. And I'm gonna look in the mirror here, darling, and I'm gonna put that onto my skin. I'm down here, and this is just so magical. And I normally like to go along my jawline, kind of lifting it, and then underneath my cheekbones like that. So really kind of give me a little bit of an angel wing workout. And then patter, patter, patter. If you've got hold of this, darling, your husband might be at it within 5 minutes, big pour in the pot, because men love it just as much as women, and everyone in the world deserves to have magic skin. Now darlings, Magic Eye Rescue, it's so fabulous. It's got plant stem cells in it, it's got retinol in it, and it just is so fantastic. I use this on a lot of my celebrity clients, and they're absolutely potty about this. So darlings, now I'm today actually suffering from a little bit of redness around my nose, but I'm going to use my Hollywood Flawless filter, and this is fantastic. It smooths everything out and just gives you that glow. It's literally like one of those incredible filters for the face. So darling, Airbrush Flawless Foundation. My entire career have I spent looking for something that would make you look flawless and poreless, smooth out any fine lines, and give you total coverage. And I promise you, we have achieved it with my incredible laboratories. It has up to 2% Replexium, which is a lot like kind of what a serum would have in it. And Replexium smooths out lines and pores. And so while you're wearing this, your lines actually reduce by 22% within 8 weeks. It's amazing. Darlings, it's also got Moss Cell Tech in it, and Moss Cell Tech is amazing. It hydrates your skin by 216% within 1 hour of wearing it. And I have to say, it's such a fantastic eye primer. Using it on the eyelids, it's so fantastic to then, as a base, to then apply eye colour magic to make it look even more heavenly. So darlings, now magic away for the perfect skin day every day. So this is the magic wand of makeup. This cushion is amazing. In fact, so many of the journalists call it the Spanx for the under eye. I like to use it in these areas because I like to lighten this part of my face, and I'm using number 2. So I'm just gonna pop that on, and I like to use my finger. You can also use my complexion brush and just pop that in there. I like to do a slightly lighter colour, but it's so fabulous. And I didn't call it Spanx for the under eye, that's what the journalists call it. It's gone like a viral whisper around the industry. So we need it, darlings. Darlings, Magic Vanish. Now this product is so amazing. Honestly, as a makeup artist, I just craved for this product. I use this 4 colours for 4 different skin tones. So fair is for me. I use this one a lot, which is the number 2 on people like Salma Hayek. She adores it for underneath the eyes. And then you've got 2 of these for deeper skin tones, and they're amazing for any pigmentation underneath the eyes. They just neutralise it and bounce out the light. So fabulous. So I'm just gonna pop this Magic Vanish on like that with my ring finger. And again, it'll just bounce out the light underneath my eye. So darlings, I'm gonna finish off my skin with my Pore Refining Micro Powder. So I'm now going to apply this here down the center of my face, like that. This is a great trick as a base powder before you put on your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna get my blender brush and use that as a wash all over my eyelid. And it makes a huge difference to the eyeshadow when I put it on. It's such a great trick. So I'm gonna start off by using my Copper Charge eyeshadow and my Copper Charge eyeliner, and they come as a kit together. And the reason why is we want them to maximize your eye color sparkle. These colors are actually for blue eyes, but they actually, out of all of my eye color magic collection, the browns obviously always look great on everyone. And these, because I've got a bit of blue in my eyes, but I've got a bit of green in my eyes, and today I'm wearing green with my red hair, these will actually really maximize the green eye color sparkle I have within my eye and make them light up even more. And now I'm gonna show you how to get that eye color magic. And let me tell you, it really does work. I've already got my Copper Charge eyeliner on, and I'm using the matte side. And I have to tell you, this eyeliner, oh my gosh, I have literally, my clients are literally hysterical for this eyeliner because it just does, even the eyeliner alone does eye color magic on you. And it's just the most gorgeous, creamy, rich texture, but then it literally stays and doesn't budge. So I like to elongate my eyes and make them look a lot longer. So I like to drag them down and drag them up in that feline, cat-like, almond-like shape. So I'm using the golden side of the eyeliner. This is a great trick because I put it along the top of the eyeliner and it just makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. And the metallic eyeliner has this great effect. I love doing it on smaller eyes. You can pop it in the inner corner because that makes your eyes look wider. And then you can do it underneath the lash line and it looks really great. Sometimes I just use this on its own underneath the lash line and it really makes the eyes a lot bigger. It's a great little trick. So darlings, the secret to eye color magic, here it is. I just thought, I use this so much on my celebrity clients and so many models, and I wanted, and my father's an artist, and why and how do we make blue eyes bluer, green eyes greener, brown eyes more amber? How do we make hazel eyes greener? Like, there is a whole magic to it, and it's harmonizing colors and contrasting colors. I'm gonna put a champagne gold here, and we're gonna do a light wash. I only want to put a light wash. On different skin tones, I might do a more heavier, kind of stronger wash, but with me, I'm just gonna put, with my skin tone, I prefer a lighter wash of this. Now, I'm gonna take another blender brush and I'm dipping it into this beautiful kind of rose gold color, and this is my Prime Enhance, so I'm going to use this to enhance. And I'm just gonna nestle that into my socket and going backwards and forwards like a windscreen wiper. I'm putting a little bit onto the lid, but really I'm nestling the colour into the socket, blending it out. Now I'm going to show you one eye completely done, and then I'm going to do the other eye so you can see the power of it. I'm going to take my blender brush and dipping it into my matte, gorgeous smoke shade. I'm going to nestle that into my socket and go backwards and forwards again to give it a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to take it onto the eyelid in that outer corner and slightly blend it into a little bit of a V. So darling, you can already see how this gorgeous ready matte tone is bringing out more of my eye colour. Can you see, darlings? I'm also going to take a smudger brush and dipping it into that same gorgeous matte shade. I'm going to go underneath my Copper Charge eyeliner and go along the lash line, just smoke that out. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this gorgeous copper colour and I'm going to go along the lash line. I'm going to use my smudger brush, using it into my enhanced shade, and I'm going to pop this, because it's a wonderful rosy gold, on top of my fabulous eyeliner. Just make that pop. And now finally I'm going to use this gorgeous pop shade, this wonderful gold, but I'm just going to use a little bit on me. I'm going to pop that literally on the top of my socket just to bring it out. I'll try to take my fringe out of the way so you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. Can you see the difference between eye colour magic, where it just pops the colour? There you have it, eye colour magic. So darlings, I'm now going to apply Film Star Bronze and Glow. This is a classic, but it's so fabulous, quick and easy contouring. So you can see by using this fabulous contour and bronzer how you can just suck in the cheeks and follow the hollow. And then I always do my jawline as well. I'm also going to do that little trick that I love so much, which is to contour my nose, taking my blender brush and dipping it in the same shade, my Film Stuff Bronze and Glow, go underneath, like a little U-turn, and down the sides of my nose. And this is so fabulous because it just shortens the nose and lifts the nose. So now, darlings, I'm going to paint on my old Hollywood beauty spot. And I love this texture. Just fill it in. I love using this to give me great facial architecture. Now I'm going to use my Beauty Light wand, and this is so fantastic. I adore using this. Use it on that little C at the top of the cheekbones, and that just gives you a little lift and smooths out your skin and gives you that silk-like satin texture. But it really does help lift and bring the light, that like diva light, to the top of your cheekbones. It's a great Hollywood trick, this. So darlings, I'm going to finish off with one of my classics, Pillow Talk. The world is in love with Pillow Talk lipstick, one sold every minute around the world. Today I'm going to use my classic, and I'm going to use my classic lip liner, which also the world loves. And now I'm going to fill in with my Pillow Talk lipstick. So darlings, it works every time. Pillow Talk, it literally gives you the perfect pout. And I've now got the medium Pillow Talk and Pillow Talk Intense. So I've got it for everyone all around the world. And the same with the lipsticks. Pillow Talk Original that I'm wearing, Pillow Talk Medium that I used on Salma Hayek at the Golden Globes, and Pillow Talk Intense. So darlings, I'm going to finish off, last but not least, with a little bit of Ecstasy blusher. So we're going to swish and pop. Swishing, swish and pop. Just gives you that lovely little glow. And I always do blusher last when I know how much makeup, how much of an eye or how much of a lip. It's that final touch. So there you have it, using my Eye Colour Magic Kit in Copper Charge, eyeliner and eyeshadow to make my bluey green eyes look even more sparkly.